Welcome to the Vibe Getting Started series. Each video listed on screen is designed to help you get started with using the Vibe portal. By the end of the series, you will have learned how to easily and confidently navigate through the slide manager, update your playlists, manage your info bar text alerts, and monitor your screens remotely. When you receive your Vibe access info, log in online using the details provided. If you need to make changes on the go, download the Vibe app or use your mobile browser to access the portal. When you successfully log in for the first time, change your password straight away to ensure that your login is secure.